Hi everyone, welcome back to English Learning Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. We're really happy you're here today.
Let me ask you something important. If someone met you for the first time and asked, "Tell me about yourself," would you know what to say in English?
Yeah, that moment can feel scary. Your mind goes blank, your heart beats fast, and suddenly, English disappears.
But don't worry, today's video will change that.
Because today, we're learning how to describe your personality in English, naturally, confidently, and like real people do.
This is not a test. This is real-life English.
You use personality words everywhere. Job interviews, friendships, dating, school, travel.
And the good news is, you don't need big or difficult words.
Simple words plus honest feelings equals powerful English.
Let's start easy. Daniel, how would you describe yourself in one word?
I'd say curious.
Nice. Curious means you like learning and discovering new things.
Exactly. And you, Emily?
I'd say friendly. I enjoy talking to people and making them feel comfortable.
Friends listening, don't just watch, join us. Think of one word to describe yourself.
Good. That's already English practice.
Let's learn some everyday personality words.
Repeat after us.
Friendly,
Someone who is kind and easy to talk to.
shy,
Someone who is quiet, especially with new people.
confident,
You believe in yourself.
funny,
You make people laugh.
hard-working.
You try your best and don't give up easily.
Now let's use real sentences.
Instead of just one word, try this pattern.
I'm a blank person.
For example, I'm a friendly person.
Or, I'm a shy person, but I open up with time.
That sentence is powerful because it's honest.
Let's imagine we just met at a cafe.
Hi, Daniel. So, how would you describe yourself?
I'd say I'm calm and positive. I don't like stress, and I enjoy simple things.
That sounds really nice. I'd describe myself as creative and talkative.
Friends, did you notice? No difficult grammar, just simple English, but very clear.
Now let's make your personality description more interesting.
Use this magic phrase. I tend to be.
For example, I tend to be optimistic, or I tend to be quiet in big groups.
This sounds natural and thoughtful, like real conversations.
You don't need to be perfect.
You can say things like, I'm not very confident, but I'm learning. Or, I can be nervous, especially when I speak English.
That's not weakness, that's courage.
Pause the video for a moment.
Say this sentence out loud. I'm a blank person, and I tend to be blank.
Yes, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect.
Confidence grows when you use English, not when you wait.
In English, people often balance positives and negatives.
For example, I'm very focused, but sometimes I overthink.
This sounds mature and natural.
Remember this, your personality is your power.
And your English doesn't need to be perfect to be meaningful.
Every sentence you speak builds confidence.
Every mistake means you're learning.
So today, say it proudly. This is who I am.
And say it in English.
Thank you for learning with us on English Learning Channel.
If this video helped you, like it.
Share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe, because your English journey continues.
See you in the next video.
Be yourself. Be confident. Keep speaking.